Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this EyGde E2-pack USB-C European travel plug adapter. Yeah, that's the thing here, and we have also some description here. It has 3 USB PD ports, 3 times AC ports, and we have surge protection, which is really important, and we have also a flame retardant housing, also very important. And yeah, maybe the model type if you want to know. And here the input voltage works of course between 110 and 250 volts maximum power. That's also very important. I would say 2500 watts is very high, and 10 amps, yeah, definitely no problem, especially in Europe where you have higher voltage, definitely no problem. So let's open the box, see what we get. Yeah, it's definitely a 2-pack. Get even some instructions manual, maybe that helps you a little bit with some specifications, but it's definitely not very difficult to use, and I'm going to show you that in real life. I think the build quality is really good. When we shake it, there's nothing to hear, and they are really robust, strong, good housing, everything solid build. Definitely beautiful. What I like here is that we have some outlets here also on the side, which gives us more space here, especially when we have large plugs. This is a huge plus when we have the 3 plugs here on different sides. And here we have the USB, 3 times USB-A, 1 time USB-C. We are going to test that. And what we have also, what's really important for European travel, that we have these recessed plugs. A lot of European countries are using these recessed safety plugs. It's a really good thing, and without that you couldn't use that. So very, very important and a good thing. So let's first test if they are really working for such recessed ports. So here we have an original Swiss power outlet. You can see the recessed design. We have also like the 3 ports with the grounding, but you don't need that. If you just have 2, definitely no problem. We have 3 ports here, but of course they are not grounded here. This is what you have to know, but still it fits absolutely perfect, as you can see, absolutely no problem. And so now let's plug it in here. You can see this is the 220 volts, exactly what we have in Europe. So let's plug it in here, and now let's check what we get. We should still see 220 volts. So let's do the test here. And so yes, we can see that here it provides 243 volts. That's the European voltage, so it's definitely not a voltage converter. It's exactly how it's described. So regarding the AC voltage, it just takes the normal original voltage which you have wherever you travel, like 240 volts from Europe, but it provides you with the US adapter style, so you can plug in your like hair dryer or everything which is suitable for 240 volts. Of course you can also use that in the US, then you have only 110 volts, so it doesn't do anything regarding voltage, but it provides the plugs which you need for US devices. Of course the USB outlets do not provide any kind of quick charge or PD standards or so with high voltage, but still they have a lot of power. We can see that here is this small tester here. We are on one single USB-A outlet, and we are pulling a whopping 3.4 amps, which is really a lot for USB. We can even go a little bit higher. You can see it's very safe here, very powerful. But of course you can also use that while you are not traveling, while you are in the United States. It gives you this 1 to 3 AC outlets, but then of course you need a small adapter, but it's really easy. You can see that here we plug it in, and we also get the USB power, which you can see. And so even in the US with 110 volts you can easily get this 3.4 amps in total on the USB outlet. So it works for travel but also at home. Really nice device. So I stop this here again. Yeah, for me it definitely works. It's beautiful, very versatile, very safe, as good as it gets. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, thanks for watching, see you next time.